So here we are in the laundry room, and I purchased some shelving brackets that do fold on Amazon. So that way, if I need to fold it down and it's out of the way, I think it'll be a great idea. I also need additional shelving, not only to store soap, but also to put a filter in here, because an air filter, that is, because right below you, as you can see, we have a kitty litter box for our cats. Okay, so I used the stud finder and was able to drill right into the stud rather than using the anchoring screws that just go into the sheetrock. So, and then I used the level to make sure everything was right. So hopefully this would be okay. I had to make sure that when it does fold down, it doesn't cover the outlet. The one on the right, I had it a little bit lower and it covered half the outlet, so I had to bring it up a little bit more. That's why you see a little screw hole right there. So I'll just spackle that up and paint over it. So I just loosely placed the boards on top of the brackets. These are two separate boards, so they're 10 inches each. I thought the bracket was going to be 20 inches, but I think it's 21 or 22, which is fine. It comes with screw holes, and you can actually screw each board onto the bracket itself. So, and then after that, then I'll just either stain or paint the shelving. Okay, so the product came with 6 screws. I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 screws. So each one of them go through these holes. That way it binds the board to the the shelving, and actually came out pretty good. So when you look at it, it's nice and spacious. It sticks out, and again, it's tacked into the beams. The brackets are right into the beams, and to bring it down, you just have to hit that button there, and then this one here, and it just comes straight down, which is nice. And again, it's right above the outlet. So all in all, I think the product is actually pretty good. It can hold accordingly, I think 400 pounds. I don't plan to put anything that heavy on top of it. And I thought there might be a little bit of too much of a gap between, but I think these boards are pretty. It's about 1 inch thick anyway. And again, I'm not going to put anything that heavy to make it bend down the middle. I've seen some people put another bracket right there, right in the center, but they're using it, the shelving, as more of a tabletop, so for a counter. This one's just gonna hold up the soaps. So, and I'm gonna put an air filter in this room as well from the cats. So, alrighty, thanks for watching. Okay, all right.